Tayong mga Pinoy, may tendency tayo to communicate dito sa baba. Yung talking nice at saka talking tough. Ano yung talking nice? Conforming yun eh. Saying yes even if you mean no. Is everything clear? Yes. Do you have any question? None. Can we do this? Yes. Tapos paglabas ng leader, sasabihin, ano yun? Ewan ko, di ko rin naintindihan. Eh, no? So we feel like we have to tell the boss what the boss wants to hear rather than what the boss needs to hear. Ayan. Yung isang side sa baba is talking tough, which is confrontational. Labanan siya, no? Debate, competition, tagisan ng talino. I'm right, you're stupid. So, yun yung problema. Kapag ka competitive ka, syempre, matinding, ano yan, no? Balitaktakan. Pagka ikaw ay ayaw mo ng balitaktakan, eh di tatanggapin mo na lang, babalik ka dun sa talking nice. No? So, mahirap yung ganong klaseng communication. So, anong sabi ni Otto Scharmer? We need to elevate it to the next level. Reflective dialogue or humble inquiry is connecting. So, ano dapat ginagawa ng leader? Sa team, pagka may problema, ang style ng leader ay facilitative. No? Ano yung facilitative? Instead of telling the team what to do, maybe the team can ask the team how they want to solve the problem. So, team, medyo bumababa yung ating productivity. Ano bang pwede natin gawin para matumaas ang ating productivity? Instead of saying, ang baba ng productivity natin, ang tatamad nyo kasi, ito ang gawin nyo, di ba? Hindi ganon. So reflective dialogue is actually asking for help from your team members. And that should lead to collaborating, which is called generative dialogue. Collaborating, building on each other's idea, brainstorming. So, in your team, anong klaseng communication yung nangyayari? Talking nice ba? Talking tough? Nangyayari ba yung reflective dialogue at saka yung generative dialogue? Sana po ma-elevate natin yung communication dun sa taas.